Good afternoon, madam. I am P. Bhavani from TTWRDC Mahbubad. Today, madam has given one task to me. From that, I selected the topic is consignment. Nowadays, every businessman or a manufacturer or a trader tries to expand their businesses to achieve it. They are opening their branches in different places to increase in their sales by appointing an agent by providing a commission. This process is known as consignment. In simple words, the process of sending goods from one place to another place is known as consignment. In this consignment, there are mainly two parties are involved. They are consignor and consignee. Consignor is also known as a principal. He will send the goods to the agent on the basis of commission, and consignee is also known as agent. He will receive the goods from the consignor and he will sell behalf of consignor. This consignee will receive some commission for the sale of those goods. Those commissions are mainly three types are there. They are ordinary commission, declaratory commission and overriding commission. Ordinary commission will receive every agent in the branch. This is a simple commission to the agent. And the declaratory commission means if we sell any credit sale transactions in the branch, means we have to bear that bad debts. We have to bear that bad debts. The person who bear that bad debts, he will receive the declaratory commission. And the overriding commission. The person who will attract the customers in case of new products are introduced in the branch, then that person will receive this overriding commission. And if now we will see a live example about this consignment. If we see this Lalita Jewelers Institution, means it has the main branch in Maharashtra, and they are opened this branch in Vijayawada, Khammam and Warangal. Like so many places, they are expanded their businesses in different places to increase their sales. This is the main branch in Maharashtra, but they have sub branches in Khammam, Vijayawada, Warangal, like that. Why they expanded means they wants to increase in their sales. That's why they expanded their businesses. And one more example is Aristo. This is one of the pharmaceutical company. This is also located in Maharashtra, and it is opened their branches in Hyderabad. Why? Because if they wants to sell, they wants to increase their sales in many different areas. So they have to increase in their sales, means they are expanded their businesses. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.